My Northwest Indiana style smash burger. Okay, I got approximately 6.4 ounces of ground chuck here. I put them into balls, all right? I kind of dried them out all afternoon here so we get that beautiful color to intensify and make sure we have a super caramelized crust, right? I got this neat little griddle contraption that I put directly on my gas grill. So I'm going to hit this with a little bit of that just to create that polymerized, right? I love that word, polymerized coating here that makes it super nonstick. So you're gonna take in a ball, you're gonna put it on there. You hear that sizzle, it needs to sizzle instantly. We're gonna set it up, okay? Let that go for about 10, 15 seconds, kind of soften up the beef, create this kind of first layer, and then flip and smash. And this is what I like to do with the trowel or the spatula. Make sure you get a little bit of that fat on here too, to create that kind of nonstick property, right? Under. You can see it just seared the meat a little bit. You can hear that sizzle start to take place. Now it is time to smash it. So we're going to smash. Oh, man. And now we can start kind of compressing the edge a little more tapered and thinner than the middle. So it kind of flares out at the edge. And then you got that big kind of pub thickness, right? Like in a pub burger. We can smash with your tongs and a pretty wide spatula. Here we go. So you could just take it around the edge just like that. And now we season with some salt, some crushed black pepper, and a little bit of garlic, granulated garlic. And we're going to let these go until they are just gorgeous, right? And there we go. You can see it start to look super dark, and that is where the flavor lies. And holy smokes. And that's what makes a Northwest Indiana style burger great. It's those flared, super lacy smashed edges that peek outside the bun. So I spread some softened butter on this just to give it a little extra flavor and crunch and color. And I'm going to put these directly on there. Keep an eye on them, right? I try to keep a side of the griddle a little cooler for this moment. And our burgers are good to go. A little cheese on top. Lorenzo loves some American cheese. So I'm going to give you that one that's plain Jane. I got, that's the bottom bun.
Oh, it's the bottom.
So this smash sauce is a little sauce I invented. It's got mayonnaise, chopped gherkins, Dijon, ketchup, sriracha, some granulated garlic, salt, and pepper. And we mixed it. Boom. You got yours. I got mine. I'm shutting down the heat. All right. Hey, should we cheers? Burgers for breakfast. Kind of. More brunch. But it can be your dinner any day of the week.